What's up guys, ArsenTech here, and today I will test Windows Defender against Navashield. If you don't know what is a Navashield, it is a rogue security software known for the annoying laughter sounds. So without any further ado, let's get the antivirus test started. Here comes the round 1. I will extract Navashield while Windows Defender's protection is on. Let's do this. Windows Defender detected Navashield. And it is about to move Navashield to quarantine or to be removed. Okay, actions needed. So Windows Defender needs to restart the PC to remove it. Let's wait until the restart.
One restart later.
After restarting, Windows Defender removed Navashield. Nice job, Windows Defender. Nice job. Here comes the second round of this test. I have turned off the real-time protection, now let's restore Navashield.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, let's extract it. Alright, let's start it. I will turn on the real-time protection and after that I will launch Navashield. Here comes this error message, says operation didn't complete successfully because the file contains a virus or potentially unwanted software. So, Windows Defender detected Navashield after starting it. Nice job again. Here comes the third test. The third test is I will launch Navashield and turn the shield on. Oh, sorry. After launching the installer and turning the real-time protection on, Windows Defender blocked Navashield, and it says another restart to remove it. The fourth test is I will launch the Navashield, install Navashield, and then I will turn the real-time protection on and scan it. There we go. Navashield Rogue has been installed. Now let's turn the real-time protection on. As you can see, Navashield's free trial has expired on October 21st, 2010. Okay. It says please restart your device to remove them. Let's give them another restart. Yep.
One restart later.
After restarting, Windows Defender removed the installer of that rogue security software. Let's launch Windows Defender. Here is what the Windows Defender will look like, and let's launch the rogue security software. As you guys can see, the Navashield's payload has been started. Let's start the quick scan. Navashield's laughter has been started. The annoying laughing sounds. We will scan the entire Navashield folder in here if quick scan doesn't detect any files. Windows Defender detected Navashield. Let's remove it. Another laughter has been started. It says no current threats, but Navashield exists, so that means Windows Defender cannot fix Navashield during a payload. Only Navashield zip file has been removed, but not the software. And yet Navashield won in this test because Windows Defender cannot detect an installed Navashield file, I mean the Navashield software, as a rogue security software, only detects the installer as a malware. Navashield won in the fourth test, but overall Windows Defender is a winner. Note that this is a fake scanner. I recommend you to don't disable an antivirus and keep the protection updated. That is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share this video and comment, and don't forget to join my Patreon page. Stay safe and have a nice day.